Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Bommer 1515 hinges, okay.
Yeah, actually, sorry, I'm not very well prepared. I'm pretty sure that's the number. I could look at my email real quick. They're double swing, like louvered door hinges, and they've got a lockback mechanism on them.
Mm-hmm.
Does it matter if the lockback goes on the top or the bottom?
No, it just has to be in alignment with where that pinned wheel is. So, you know, wherever that wheel is where that bracket has to be in terms of a horizontal alignment.
Okay, but I'm talking about the entire hinge. I can flip the whole thing upside down and it'll still work the same, right?
Yeah, you can turn it over 180 degrees, and actually in a pair of doors, that's probably what they'd want you to do.
Yeah, one of them has to be one way and the other one has to be opposite.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one of them was squeaking a little bit, and I was just curious if that's normal or if that's what made me wonder if I had them upside down or if it just needs a little bit of oil or...
How many holes of tension have you set on the hinge?
Oh boy, I don't remember. Probably, well, it was hard to tell on the one side because it moved a lot before it got any tension on it at all. So I'm not sure where the starting point was, but probably 3, I guess.
3 is okay. And when you have that top of the hinge pointed towards the top, you'll rotate it clockwise, and then when you flip it over, you'll rotate it counterclockwise.
Okay.
So you want to make sure you've got it, you know, that you've inverted the direction in which you're setting tension as well. A little bit of 3-in-1 motor oil is not going to hurt that at all. And in fact, it's not what the manufacturer says to use. I think they have I can tell you what it's called. I would use 3-in-1, but let me tell you what Bommer lubricant. They use a product that is a chain lubricant, they call it, a spray chain lubricant. You know, it's not unusual for a spring to make a little sound. It is, it would make sense if you had turned that tension bar clockwise in both instances, because it will hold tension in that way, but it'll break eventually.
But the tension would be going the wrong direction, right?
Yeah, it would be, and you know, just making sure that you've got the proper direction of rotation is the important part of that.
Okay, because I was pretty confused when I was tensioning them because it was all upside down, and my first time doing it. Maybe I spun it the wrong way. That could be it.
Yeah, I would think that may be obvious, but you just want to inspect that.
Yeah.
And, you know, it is not normal for the spring to squeak right out of the box. That is not normal, that's for sure.
Okay.
But it's also not normal to use a lubricant on steel moving parts. So there you go. What I mean to say is it is also normal to do that. It's not normal for that thing to squeak, but it's also not normal to not use lubricant.
Right.
So
after a while.
Yeah, right. After you use it, it might go away because there could be minor surface oxidation on the interior of that thing on the spring. You cycle it a few times and it'll stop. Yeah.
Great. Okay. Well, so far they're working really well, and yeah, there's probably something I did wrong. Yeah. Thanks for answering my questions.
Thank you for calling, sir. Bye-bye.
All right. Have a good day. Bye.
You too. Bye-bye. Architectural Builder Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.